Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's tutorial I'll be teaching you how to make these beautiful AI designs with Binge AI. I'm very sure you've seen these designs going viral and you wonder how they go about them. So without much further ado, let's get right started. So first thing first, you go to your browser, whichever browser you want, or whichever browser you have, your Phoenix, Chrome, Firefox and others. So and you type in the word binge.com/images/create. I will leave the words right there in the description box and it will take you right to this page. Can you see the box in there? So that's the box. You make use of the box to type in your words, your designs that you want to see, and you create it with this app. So there are so many times you have some designs on your head and you don't know how to sketch. Trust me, this AI app is something you need to use, so it will help you bring those designs to life even though you can't sketch or you can't draw out your designs. So yeah, I want to see a African model, so I need to be specific. Actually, do you want to see a female African model, or you want to see a male African model, or you want to see a child or a baby, or you want to see a teenager? So you be specific. So with a short wine gown, so do you want to see a short gown? Do you want to see a long gown? Do you want to see a midi skirt, or you want to see a maxi skirt? And also, do you want to see a wine skirt or a wine gown, or you want to see Ankara gown? So you just need to be specific of what you want. Either you want Ankara, or you want velvet, or you want a silk material. Is going to bring out everything for you. And also the sleeve, the collar, I said I want a bishop collar, and you can choose another neckline. You can choose maybe a Queen Anne neckline. You can choose a round neckline. You can choose an asymmetric neckline, which one that you actually want out of the neckline. And also for your sleeve, you can go in, maybe you want a bell sleeve, or you want a giggle sleeve, or whatever sleeve that you want. And also the place where do you want the model to be. Is it on the runway in a park? But actually want to see the model on the runway, so I've gone ahead to type in a female African model with a short wine gown, bishop collar and a bell sleeve on the runway. Then you click on create. Can you see the designs it brought out? So beautiful. Even though I have these designs on my head, I would have never thought it's going to come out this beautiful. Can you see? It's just going to give you a picture of exactly what you want. And I went to download the designs immediately. I even saved it because I was in awe when I saw the designs, because it actually came out nice. Can you see? I'm going to bring other designs, not just one, so it's for you to pick one from it. Can you see another beautiful designs? Trust me, with this I know you are going to do a lot. So if there's any other designs you have, you can just go ahead and type it in and write it. So those are my collections, ones I've done so far, and it's even saved my work for me. So in case maybe you lost some designs, you can just go back and retrieve it. So thanks for watching, and please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and put on the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you.